Your future self hates you right now because you're making choices you will regret later. If you don't wake up and fix these things, you will look back years from now and hate yourself for wasting time, missing opportunities, and playing small. So, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 brutal reasons why your future self is mad at you and how to fix them before it's too late. Before we go into this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, leave the heart emoji in the comments, okay? Firstly, your future self hates you right now because you're wasting time on meaningless things like endless scrolling, binge watching, gossiping, not minding your business. You want to put your mouth everywhere, you want to watch everything, you want to know what is happening in other people's lives. You're not even minding your business. You should be focused on you. Put all your time, your energy in your own life so you can be productive. Time waits for nobody, honestly. Time is one of the highest, most valued currency in this world. Time. Your time is money. So use it wisely. Your time is your currency. It's like you wasting money. You don't waste money, Abby. Abby? So don't waste your time. Every wasted hour equals lost opportunities you can never get back. Your future self is screaming, stop wasting your time and do something. Your future self is kneeling down to beg you, stop wasting my time, man, woman. Do something productive with your life, please. Do something that tomorrow we are going to be proud of. Please, please stop embarrassing me. So to fix this, you have to track your daily habits. Cut out all distractions. Have schedule. Have structure. Your life should have structure. Always plan your day ahead. Have a to-do list. Okay, know what you're going to do at a particular time. And make sure you do the thing you say you're going to do. Stop procrastinating. You can't be sleeping all day. Like you wake up and you're doing nothing. Write down things you want to do every day. You can't just wake up and be existing and be wasting time. Write down things you're going to do the next day. Okay, I'm going to do this so and so time, do this so and so time, rest by this time, take a nap, power nap by this time. Or even walk, fire up, fire throughout the day. Be productive and keep going and sleep at night. If you want, be awake in the night. Or die and die. Or hustle and hustle. You're here to make money. So stop wasting your precious time. We're all going to get old soon. We won't have this energy, time, and stamina anymore. Like later, your future self might not even be so strong to keep pushing, to keep hustling. So, please make your future self proud. Your future self is crying for help. Help your future self. You're young and agile, so use it to your own advantage. Focus on things that actually improve your life so that tomorrow you're going to be reaping the fruit of your labor. Stop wasting time. Honestly. Your future self hates you right now because you're not investing in yourself, so you stay the same. Year in, year out, you are the same person. So if you don't start investing in yourself now, you're going to be the same person in the next 1 million years. You're just going to be, anywhere where belle face, we face am. Toujours la même personne. You're always the same person. Always. If you don't upgrade your mind, body, and skills, you will never improve. Your future self is angry because you're not growing. Read books, take courses, work out, and level up your appearance. I've done so many videos on here about how to improve the way you look, how to look your best. I'm going to put them in the description box below, so please check them out. Okay? Go through my channel. You're going to see so many videos on how to improve yourself, how to level up, how to be your best self. That is what this channel is about. So subscribe if you've not, so you'll be seeing more videos like this from me. Invest in yourself now so you can become a high value version of yourself. Stop waiting for people to invest in you first. You have to start first. Show people how to treat you. Show people how it's done. Invest money in yourself. Let that money you're making show in you. Change your appearance. Change everything about yourself. Start small, start big. It doesn't matter. Just start. Start putting back in yourself. Your future self is mad at you because you keep avoiding hard things and it's making you weak. You procrastinate on tough tasks, Dodge challenges and stay in your comfort zone. Comfort now equals struggle later. The things you avoid today will be the reason you struggle in the future. Do you want to struggle tomorrow? Do you want to struggle in years' time? You don't want to, right? So do the hard things. Do those tough tasks. Make that difficult decision. Do that hard thing. Stop being soft to yourself. Sometimes we just have to be hard on ourselves. We have to give ourselves tough love. Do the hard things first before you do the easier things. That's how I live. I try to start with the hard things so that I can use my energy to fire up at the beginning so that towards the end, later, I'll just be like, okay. All right. So the easier things will now be easier for me to just get by, to do. And when you do hard things, it toughens you up. It makes you smarter. It makes you wiser. It makes it easier for you to figure out other harder things later in your tomorrow. So stop running away from hard things. They will actually make you a better person. So start pushing through discomforts. The harder the challenge, the greater the reward. When you do hard things, when you make tough decisions, you reap the fruits. You level up faster. You push yourself higher. What's holding you back? So the only thing holding you back is you. Your laziness is crippling you. So stop being lazy. If you're lazy now, you're going to reap the fruits later. You're going to just live a life. Oh my God, I hate it. I hate mediocrity. I hate it. Your future self hates you right now because you're letting fear control you. So you're playing small. You fear failure, judgment, and rejection, so you never take risk. You're scared of taking risk. You don't even want to fail. One thing I've learned in this life is failure is the best thing that can ever happen to you. Because if you don't fail, you cannot learn. So it's better you fail than for you not to fail. Fail and fail out. Fail and know that you failed. Then you learn from your mistake and you do better. But if you don't try, you can never know if it's going to work out. But if you don't try, you keep wondering for the rest of your life, oh, what if I had tried? Would it have worked out? Why do you want to give yourself that kind of assignment? Why do you want to bother this your sweet, precious brain later? Why do you want to live with regret of things you didn't do? Why are you allowing fear hold you back? Why are you being scared of the unknown? Put your head in the unknown. Do you know that failure is so sweet? I remember years ago that if I fail or if I don't do anything correctly, I would just go to the mirror and I feel like hitting my head on the mirror. Like if I look back now, I'm like, why was I so hard on myself? So fail and know that you've done it. So do something, try something and know, oh, okay, I've done this, done and dusted. And you move on. Your future self is frustrated because you're letting fear win. Your future self is cringing. Like, why? Oh my God. Urgh! I messed up in my past. Urgh! I was so scared. I couldn't even take a step. I couldn't even take that risk. Do it scared. Do it afraid. Just get it done. Done and dusted. Take bold action. Make mistakes. Stop waiting for permission. And bet on yourself. Trust me, you're going to win that bet. Your future self is mad at you right now because you're making dumb, short-term choices. Like eating junks, spending recklessly, skipping workouts, wasting money. These fun choices are ruining your future. What feels good now will cost you later. Make decisions that will make your life easier 5 to 10 years from now. Think ahead. It is not everything you see you will buy every time you're broke because you're spending recklessly. You can't be eating junks. You can't be eating late at night. Watch your weight because if you keep eating like a vulture, you're going to add weight eventually. If you keep eating, whoa, give me, I want to eat everything. Your future self is going to add weight. You're going to have big tummy. You're going to have big everything. Everything is going to be beginning. Fresh bread. You're going to be like fresh, over swollen bread. So do you want your future self to look? Go work out. Go exercise. Move your body. Okay? Your future self is mad at you right now because you have no discipline. no atom of discipline in you, and it's keeping you stuck. You don't know how to be disciplined. You don't even know how to be consistent. How can you be consistent? It's simply you forcing yourself to do those things you don't even feel like doing. Whether you're tired, whether you're about to buy, whether your bum bum is about to fall off, whether your kidney is about to, you keep showing up. You keep doing it. That is discipline. Forcing yourself to do the hard things, forcing yourself to do those things you don't want to do. You force yourself. You want success, but you refuse to put in the work. You want to enjoy life, but you don't want to put in the work to enjoy life, to live a soft life. How? Are you a magician? You dey do jazz? You dey do voodoo? You don't do voodoo. Even people that even do magic, voodoo, they cannot do it. You put in the work, you reap the fruits. Don't wait for motivation. Because if you keep waiting for motivation, motivation might not come. So just do it. Do you know that sometimes I don't feel like doing these YouTube videos? But you know what I do? I just start doing my makeup. Because after doing my makeup, I must shoot. Do you understand? So you must not feel like doing something before you do it. You must not feel motivated before you do that thing. If you keep waiting for motivation, nothing. Distractions plenty. There are so many distractions in this world. So create time and be disciplined. Force yourself to do the things you say you're going to do. Force yourself. Hold yourself on the throat and say, I must do this. And do you know the satisfaction? The satisfaction you feel after doing those things? Oh my God. Like after shooting this video, I've shot one before this. I'm going to be like, oh my God, I did something good. What's the next thing? Editing. I'm so proud of myself and I trust myself more. The more you show up, the more you're disciplined, the more you are consistent, the more you trust yourself, the more you believe in yourself more. Like there's this confidence that comes with it. So create a routine. Show up daily. Daily, every day, show up. Whether you feel like it or not, show up. Do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. And trust me, you're going to feel better when you're done doing it. You're going to trust yourself more. You're going to be so proud of yourself. But if you keep waiting for motivation, honestly, motivation might not come. So you end up waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. And it's not going to come. So motivate yourself by pushing yourself, forcing yourself to do those things. Lastly, your future self hates you right now because you're waiting for the right time. But it will never come. You're waiting for the right time to do things. Oh my God. I'm going to do this when I'm this old. I'm going to do this in 5 days' time. I'm going to do this when I'm 20. I'm going to do this when I'm 30. I'm going to do this when I'm going to do this when I move. I'm going to do this when the rain falls. I'm going to do this when the sun shines. The sun might end up not shining. The rain might end up not falling. So you will end up not doing that thing. There is no perfect time. There is no right time to do things. Just get it done. I've heard so many people say, oh, I only shoot my videos during daytime. I know that shooting with sunlight or in the daytime is better. But I'm not privileged to have that daylight setting. So what do? I use my light, my mobile light, and I shoot my videos. I put it out there. Some people say, oh my God, I'm going to do this when this thing works. I'm going to shoot this video. I'm going to start content when I have professional camera and everything. Oh, news flash. I've been shooting all my YouTube videos with my phone. Look back at my old videos with my iPhone 8 Plus. So there's no right time. You keep saying I will start next week or I will change when I have more time. Oh, I'm going to do this in the next 5 years. Oh, I'm going to start working in this company when I have this. Oh, I'm going to get married when I move into this place. When my kidney, when my liver, when my... There's no right time. You are the one to make the time right. When you do that thing you're supposed to do, then it becomes right. There will never be a perfect moment. There will never be a perfect time, in quotes. So just get things done. Your future self is begging you to take actions now. Now, now, now. It's when you take that action now that whatever you're trying to do will now seem right. Remember what I said before? Even if it doesn't work, you learn from your mistake. You fail, you learn, you move ahead. You keep going. We're not here to check time. We're not here to say, oh, Chero Cambia. No. Nobody's waiting. Keep it moving. Stop waiting. Start now. Even if it's small. One small step today changes everything. If this hits you hard, good. That means you need to change. Your future self is begging you to wake up and take action now. Now, not tomorrow. Not in 2 seconds. Now. Maintenant. Aujourd'hui. D'accord? The pain of regret is worse than the pain of discipline. So fix it before it's too late. Get things done. Capiche? I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you did, please like, share to your friends, share on your socials, subscribe, leave a comment below. What part of this video resonated with you more? What did you learn in particular from this video? Let's converse in the comments below. Check out this video here. Trust me, it is worth your time and super valuable. Subscribe here on this plant and follow me on all other social media platforms with the name Siata Jolie. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Okay, click here. Let's go.